Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the app. Today, we're taking a look at the Nike Training Club app, accessible at nike.com/ntc-app. This comprehensive fitness app provides a wealth of resources for individuals of all fitness levels, from beginners just starting their journey to seasoned athletes seeking new challenges. Nike Training Club offers a diverse range of workouts, including yoga, strength training, HIIT, and mobility exercises. The app is designed to be your personal training companion, providing structured programs tailored to your specific goals, whether you're aiming to build muscle, increase endurance, or simply improve overall fitness. A key feature of the NTC app is its personalized training plans. These plans adapt to your progress, ensuring you're constantly challenged and motivated. The app takes into account your fitness level, available equipment, or lack thereof, and time constraints, creating a truly customized experience. Furthermore, the app boasts a library of expert-led workouts, featuring world-class Nike trainers who guide you through each exercise with clear instructions and demonstrations. Whether you prefer bodyweight training, using dumbbells, or utilizing gym equipment, the NTC app has options for you. The NTC app doesn't just focus on physical fitness, it also emphasizes the importance of mindfulness and recovery. You'll find guided meditations and relaxation techniques to help you unwind and manage stress. This holistic approach to well-being makes the NTC app more than just a workout tool, it's a comprehensive resource for a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, the app provides nutritional guidance and recipes to complement your training, ensuring you're fueling your body properly for optimal performance and recovery. With its intuitive interface and extensive features, the Nike Training Club app is a valuable tool for anyone seeking to enhance their fitness journey. Download it today and experience the power of personalized training at your fingertips. Remember to check the description below for the direct link.